Okay, guys, I don't usually make talky videos like this, but I decided to do one just because I had a little thought that that you guys, some people out there might find interesting, or at least something to ponder over. Okay, so I've been watching some free energy videos, whatever over unity videos, Tesla supercharged Tesla coil that produces 10 times more power than input, blah blah blah. And most of them are just bogus. Like there's no merit to any of them. It's nice to think about. I mean, you gotta wish they were true, and a lot of people believe in them when they don't really have much background in whatever field it is that they're uh, claiming to find free energy in. In this case, it's electrical in nature. So people without a electrical engineering background might find some of these videos that I've been watching quite intriguing and might actually believe in some of them just because they don't really understand the actual physics behind um, the claims that are being made. But when you do have a little bit, even just a little bit of background, you can tell like the stuff doesn't really stand up. But it did get me thinking, and one thing that's worth pointing out is the fact that the the way that free energy claims are disproven time and time again is that people just reiterate energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be converted to other forms. So, and that goes with matter too, because energy and matter are essentially the same thing. So, energy and matter can only be converted from one to the other. They cannot be created nor destroyed. So, the matter and energy that we have in the universe, that's what we got, and it's never going to be destroyed. It's never, and there's never going to be any more of it. It's just what we have. It's there, and that's it. Okay, for all of eternity. Now, for people that don't believe in a creator or a god or a higher power, um, they kind of have to base all of their opinions on things on science. Okay, so that kind of makes them have to take a stance where um, matter and energy can't be created nor destroyed. But look around, we've got a whole bunch of energy and matter here that got created, that was created at some point. So if energy and matter can't be created, then how did it get here? So if you believe in science, I'm not saying that proves that there's a higher power or a creator. I'm just saying that if you're scientific in mind and you don't believe in a higher power or a creator, then you must believe that that saying energy and matter can't be created or destroyed is false, right? Because we've got matter and energy here. So if that's what you believe in, if you believe in science and you don't believe that a creator created these things through spiritual magic or whatever, then you have to believe that that energy and matter can be created out of nothing, or perhaps out of a physical phenomenon that we don't yet understand. Okay, so that should give people out there that believe in science and that should give them real promise and real hope that they should maybe believe that some of these free energy claims might have some merit to them and might be worth looking into. In fact, I challenge you, they should be looked into because that fact alone, that we've got all kinds of energy and matter around, and energy and matter can't be created or destroyed, it can only be converted from one form to another, yet here it all is. How did it get here? There you go, okay? Now, on the other hand, I am kind of a creationist believer, and I think that there might be some spiritual thing going on. I'm not 100% sure what exactly the real truth is. I mean, who can really say? Just somebody that has blind faith in Christianity and Jesus Christ and God and all that. Um, I haven't really been into the Bible much in my life. I have become quite interested in that topic in the last couple of years, though. As I've gotten a little bit older, I'm starting to see that maybe some of that stuff should be taken a little bit more serious than I did in the past. And I don't joke about it. I don't find it funny. I think that some of that stuff like Jesus Christ, I think that he was a real guy. I think that he possibly was the Son of God and sent here to send a message. And if that actually is what happened, then wow, what a wonderful thing, you know. Anyways, yeah. So obviously, I'm still on my journey and still have a lot of things to discover in my path, but I'm still open-minded, and you should be too, because of what I just told you about energy and matter being all around us. I mean, look, I'm just going in circles. It's everywhere, but it can't be created or destroyed. But here it is. Got created at some point. And if you don't believe in a God, then you got to believe in science, and you got to believe that there's a method for energy and matter to be created out of nothing. So free energy should be feasible, in your opinion, if you don't believe in God. There you go. Gotcha. Seriously, think about it, because what I just told you should make sense, unless I didn't describe it properly, and in that case, let me know in the comments, alright? And please subscribe, because I need some more subscribers so I can post some ads, so I can bug you guys with ads, so you can buy stuff and make me money on YouTube. Have a good day.